So a question I get all the time is, what is a cranial prosthesis? Cranial prosthesis is a medical wig designed for someone who is suffering from hair loss. The thing about a cranial prosthesis is it is custom 100% depending on your particular area of concern, loss, and recession. Its specifics are totally tailored to your particular area of loss. For example, even if you have no hair here and you have here, there'll be different materials designed and placed in the areas where they need to be. They have different bases. You know, the thing about it is lace is not used a lot in non-surgical hair replacement in general. It's not used a lot. There are different materials. There are poly, which is skin types. There are breathable units, breathable mesh materials that you can have placed in your unit depending on your area of loss. Also, the best thing about cranial prosthesis is when you have hair loss due to a medical condition, most of the time your insurance will pay 60 to 90% of the cost of that cranial prosthesis, and it's made however you need it. You come in and you have 4C hair, you can have a cranial prosthesis made in 4C hair. You can have it made your density. You can have it made to your liking. So a cranial prosthesis is pretty much a custom head of hair designed for you, pretty much. And the good thing about coming to Plentiful Hair Studio or a center is we do financing. You can pay in installments. You can do different things like that. There are so many different options as far as paying for your unit, especially if you don't have hair loss due to a medical condition. There are payment plans, different ways that you can pay for your piece, and it offers you extended wear attachments, meaning they can be attached for 4 to 6 weeks at a time versus taking it off every night. So there are so many different options. However, we do have the ones you want to take off every night. So there are options. So that is what a cranial prosthesis is.